Hi, welcome back again our online electrical course. So every day we are our course is in electrical. Yesterday our electrical class is related conduit. In conduit, we are talking about the types of conduit, sizes of conduits, and age per type. Where is using in using purpose? We are talking about the this one. Okay, so how many types of standard length of the conduit? We are talking about the conduit and types of conduit bent, types of circular box, all we are talking yesterday. So I hope all of you are watch the video and clear about this one. So today our related electrical topics is switch gear and types of circuit breaker. Switch gear and type of circuit breaker. So switch gear is an important electrical device which is used to control our entire electrical system and subsystem by on, off, and trip. It is also called protective device. So switch gear is the one kind of protective device. Okay, this is the one kind of device. So in switch gear we can control the our power supply is on, off, trip. If you need to our power you can on, if you need to supply off you can trip off, do like that. So this is the one kind of device. Okay, so we can using as per your what you, if you need you can on, and if you no need you can off. So switch gear is the one types of device. Okay, and in switch gear we have three types of switch gear is available. Three types of switch gear is available. They are accelerator, cubicle, and circuit breaker. Three types: accelerator, cubicle, and circuit breaker. Accelerator a switch device and it is used switch off and on. So accelerator is one kind of switching device. Okay, so switching device, it is used to on and off the power supply. It is used to on and off the power supply. This is not safety device because it will be not trip the case of the abnormal current. So this is not safety device, this is only using for on and off. If the your circuit is abnormal in some problem, that time this is not trip. So this is the not tripable device, this is only a normal device. Okay, and this is available in single phase and three phase. This is available single phase and three phase. And so in accelerator, this is the diagram of accelerator. Okay, this is the diagram of accelerator, and available single phase and three phase. Okay, single phase and three phase. And model, this is coming into actually two models: PVC type and metal type. PVC type and metal type, especially maximum PVC type using in indoor purpose, and metal type using in outdoor purpose. Okay, so especially this is coming two types: PVC and metal. PVC type using in indoor purpose, and metal type using in outdoor purpose. Okay, so using like that. And this current amp size is available in 16 amps to 100 amperes. Okay, so this is available in 16 to 100 amperes, and this all are coming in single phase and three phase. If you need the single phase supply on off only, you can using in this one. And if you need the three phase supply for accelerator, you can take the three phase accelerator, and as per your current related how many power is need there, you can using choice the this one and give this. And there have the one black black switch, this is the on off purpose only. This make the on and off. This there have the no any in case of any problem, no automatic on no automatic off. Okay, this is like that. Okay, and cubicle switch. Next one is cubicle switch. It is also called the fuse switch unit. Okay, cubicle switch also called the fuse switch unit. The fuse is additionally provided with the switching unit, which is blow and protect our equipment at the time of abnormal current. So this is the one system made by the one system in device. This cubicle system is there are put the extra fuse inside of this one. So if the abnormal condition is there, in fuse have the inside one normal wire. So this is blow and this is blow, and this is broken and save our equipment. Okay, this is the blow and save our equipment. Okay, and these are the fuses. Okay, these are fuses, and this is so many switches. You can see there 4 5 6 switches, one gang switch box. Side have the this types of gear, and this is also old model. So this is also using in our three-phase supply, also in direct coming in cubicle in fuse system, and then after there to going to DB or distribution board. This is also old model maximum, now this is not using. Okay, and next one is circuit breaker. Okay, next one is circuit breaker. Circuit breaker are used widely because it is sensitive, or protection breakers are designed to protect the electrical circuit from damage caused due to the overload and short circuit. So now maximum using in circuit breaker, maximum project using in circuit breaker, in house also using in circuit breaker, because there have the trip system. If in case of any damage of circuit, if short circuit, there have the all system is coming there. Okay, so this is coming like that. Okay, due to the overload, if overload is coming there, this also, and close short circuit also close. A circuit breaker can be reset either manually or automatically. This is two types of circuit breaker. One types manually on and off, and another type automatic on and automatic system also. Okay, so reset time, some are automatic reset and some we can use by our hand to reset. Okay, so half trippable also. It is coming single phase and three phase with neutral. So it is coming three types: single phase, three phase, and three phase with neutral also coming. So three types of circuit breaker is available: single phase, three phase, and three phase with neutral. Three types of circuit breaker is available. Okay, types of circuit breaker. Now next one is types of circuit breaker. MCB, miniature circuit breaker, miniature circuit breaker. Okay, related amperes 2 M to 100 amps. So this is the normal circuit breaker, and this is coming 2 amperes to 100 amperes. Actually now not using in 2 ampere like that, so using in 6 to above, 6 to 100, 6 to 100. Okay, using in 6 to 100, and available SP, SPN, TP and TPN. So this is types of the this is the inside the MCB types. Okay, model of the MCB. So SP means single pole, only one single pole is SPN, single pole with neutral. There have connected phase also, neutral also. SP single pole means there is connect only phase, and neutral is going to neutral bar. So DB have the separate of phase pole, say neutral pole is separate, and earthing pole is separate, but single pole means SP means single pole, SPN means single pole with neutral, and TP means triple pole, three phase, using for three phase. Okay, and TPN means triple pole with neutral. Okay, triple pole with neutral. And TPN, actually TPN is coming, ELCB or RCCB are coming in TPN, triple pole with neutral, they are coming in TPN. Okay, and use distribution board. So this kind of circuit breaker is using for only distribution board, not SMDB and not MDB, main distribution board, and there is not using. So this is using for distribution board. Okay, MCCB, mounted case circuit breaker. Next one is MCCB, mounted case circuit breaker. Full form of MCCB, mounted case circuit breaker. Okay, this is the full form of circuit breaker. And related amps, how many amps is coming? This one 64 amps to 1000 amps. This is coming 64 amps to 1000 amps. And available SP and TP, and this is available SP single pole also available, and TP triple pole also available. TPN maximum not coming in MCCB. Use SMDB and MDB. So using in SMDB means sub main distribution board. Okay, full form of SMDB is sub main distribution board, and MDB means main supply board, okay, or main switch board. Okay, okay, MDB or SMDB we can using in this one. Okay, for MCCB, SMDB and MSB or MDB. ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. ELCB full form is earth leakage circuit breaker. Related amps 16 amps to 125 amps. Okay, this is the related amps is coming 16 amps to 125 amps. Available SPN and TPN. This is also available to SPN and TPN. This is not coming in SP. Single pole not coming. This is coming SPN, single pole with neutral, and triple pole with neutral. This is coming like that. Using in DB. ELCB also using in DB for power outgoing, power supply purpose. Okay, and RCCB, radial current circuit breaker. Okay, this is the full form of radial current circuit breaker. Related amps 16 amps to 125 amps. This is also related FC, this one. So ELCB and RCCB is same work like that, and ELCB is old model and RCC is update model. Just nowadays available in RCCB. Before old model we can using in ELCB. Okay, so this is the update. Every electrical equipments and every device are coming every year in update system. This is electrical. So electrical every year is coming little bit update system. Okay, old model is ELCB and new model is RCCB, and just now update model coming is RCCB. Okay, this is also related current is 16 amps to 125 amps. Okay, and available SPN and TP1 same like that in ELCB. Update model this one. So this is also single pole with neutral and triple pole with neutral. Use distribution board, same distribution board. This is using in DB means distribution board. Okay, and RCBO, radial current breaker with overload. Okay, RCBO related current is 16 to 80 amps. This is coming 16 to 80 amps, and available in SPN, only available SPN, single pole with neutral. Okay, use DB. This is also using in DB. Okay, and ACB, ACUM or ER circuit breaker. Related amps is 800 amps to 10k amps. Okay, this is very big. This is the big sizes. Okay, this is big. Related current 800 amps to 10K, and use medium voltage and industries panel main incoming supply switch gear. So this is using in industrial big power plant and power plant in industrial purpose. This is using in industrial purpose. Domestic purpose not using in ACB. ACB is big voltage and big amperes. Okay, so this is not using in domestic purpose. Okay, this is using in industrial purpose. And BCB vacuum circuit breaker relative volt for BCB full form is vacuum circuit breaker related volts 440 volts to 220 kV volt. So this is also very big, and this is also using in big power plant project industrial area. They are using high voltage panel in industrial project. So this is also using in big project. These two are not related in domestic housing purpose. Okay, domestic wiring purpose. This ACB and BCB is not related in domestic. This is using in industrial big power plant, and this one already this is coming in setting with the big panel IO panel. In IO means output and INO means incoming panel. This big panel is already coming for, this is using for the main incomer transformer to coming wire and direct connect in ACB and BCB like that. Okay, so this is the big sizes is coming, and big power where is coming in big power, high voltage, medium voltage, that kinds of power and ampere we can using in ACB and BCB. Okay, so this is the single pole SPMCB diagram of single pole. This is the SPMCB. Okay, this is SPMCB. We are also writing in SPMCB. SP means single pole MCB. So this is using for the distribution board to out of the power supply. So out of power supply, this is using in out of power supply, and this is coming in, I am already told, 2 to 100 amps as per your load. This is depends with your load. If you have the big load, you can using in big amperes, and small load you can using in small, but maximum in nowadays 6 ampere to below not using. Okay, SPN and TPN, and next one is SPN. This is SP, and next one is SPN, single pole with neutral MCB. This is also single pole and with neutral, and this is using for single phase main incomer. If the single phase supply is coming in your distribution board or any project in single phase main income coming, that time in dB you can using in main incomer purpose. This is not using in outgoing purpose. Okay, outgoing purpose is not using in dB. Okay, this is not using in outgoing purpose. So this is the SPN, single phase with neutral. Okay, and this is also available same like that. Next one is TP, triple pole. Next one is TP, triple pole. Okay, so this is TP, triple pole. Next one is triple pole. So this is using for three phase supply. This is using for three phase supply. Okay, triple pole is using for three phase supply. Three phase supply means red, yellow, blue. If the red, yellow, blue using, that time you can using in power supply for three phase. If the your equipment is three phase, that time you can using in three phase MCB. Okay, three phase MC. TPN, triple pole with neutral. This is also triple pole with neutral. So this is also using in main incomer purpose. in three-phase supply you take in your domestic purpose, that time you can using in TPN, triple pole with neutral, and this is coming using for main incomer purpose. Okay, MCCB, mounted case circuit breaker, this is the big size. Okay, another MCB is small size, and this one is coming little big size, and these are available in amps is 64 to 1000 amps. Okay, so this is the MCCB, and they are using for only, not using in DB, distribution board. This is using SMDB, sub main distribution board, and MDB, main distribution board. This kind of a board we can using in this. Okay, ELCB. ELCB is two types, TPN ELCB and SPN ELCB. So if your equipment need the supply of TPN, triple pole with neutral, that time you can using in TPN. Okay, and if your equipment need the SP single phase, that time you can using in SPN ELCB. Okay, these are the SPN and TPN, and this is earth leakage circuit breaker. Okay, so these are available in rating is 20 amps, but this is actually coming in 16 amps to 16 amps to coming. Okay, and this up to 63 amps, and tripping amps is 03 ampere. So if the any abnormal condition is in 03 amps with dismissing, that time this is tripping. Okay, this is the tripping system. And this one RCCB, single phase RCCB and three phase RCCB, single phase and three phase RCCB. Okay, and this is also using same like a ELCB, and this I am already told, this is coming in new update model. This is coming in new update model. Okay, and RCBO, this is the RCBO. This is your RCBO. This is the RCBO. Okay, so RCBO, this is also coming with the they have the neutral wire and earthing wire also coming together. Okay, so this earthing wire is going to earthing bar, and neutral wire is going to neutral bar. But in equipment and circuitry coming phase and neutral joined in there have two terminal. You see, one phase terminal and one neutral terminal. So you can give the phase terminal is phase wire, and neutral terminal is neutral wire, and there are two outgoing neutral and outgoing earthing also in this breaker. So this is you joint, you can connect in neutral is neutral bar in your distribution board, and earthing is earth bar in your distribution board. Okay, so you can join like that. And this is ACB, sorry, this is ACB, ear circuit breaker or circuit breaker. Okay, so this is using in big project. I am already told, this is using in big project and big power supply. Okay, this is using in big power supply. Okay, this is trippable system and big, and this is using for the main incomer purpose of high voltage, medium voltage, and big panel. Okay, and next one is BCB. This is also using in high voltage and high big current. Okay, this is also using industrial purpose, not in domestic purpose. These two ACB and BCB using in industrial purpose or big area. Okay, so these are the our types of circuit breaker. So circuit breaker is using in domestic purpose and industrial purpose. Both area we can using in circuit breaker. So both area we can using in circuit breaker. Okay, BCB and ACB all are using in, and normal circuit breaker we can using in domestic maximum using in we can up to MCCB, ACB and BCB we cannot using in domestic purpose. Okay, so difference between the MCB and MCCB. What is the difference between MCB and MCCB? So they have the different. Okay, first difference is related current is 2 amps to 1000 amps. So MCB is related current is 2 amps to 1000 amps, 100 amps. Okay, and related current MCCB is 64 amps to 1000 amps. So MCB means miniature circuit breaker. Okay, and MCCB means mounted case circuit breaker. Mounted case circuit breaker. And trip system normal, not adjustable. This is trip system is normal. MCCB trip system is generally normal. If the short circuit and any overload circuit, this is trip, but trip system is normal, not in adjustable. Okay, so this is directly trip system is adjustable. This is using in adjustable. If one time trip this one and one only medium is there is three parts, on, off and after adjustable also. So in you can off one time and again on. So this is if the trip you can direct on, but if the MCCB is trip, that time you on, not on. One time push this switch more off and then after again on. So this means on. Okay, not have the trip bottom. There have not in any trip bottom in MCB. MCB no have the trip bottom, but MCCB have the trip bottom. There have the trip bottom. Okay, there have trip bottom and using only DB. So this is using only distribution board. Already I am told MCB is using for the distribution board only. Distribution board to some using for incoming purpose, main incoming purpose, and some using for the outgoing purpose. Okay, and using SMDB or MSDB. So this is the using in SMDB or MSDB. SMDB means sub main distribution board and main switch distribution board. Okay, so this is using in MCCB. MCCB using in big panel. Suppose this is the big. So MCCB is using in this and outgoing as incoming purpose. Okay, they are using in outgoing and incoming purpose. Okay, so these are the our switch gear and types of circuit breaker. Okay, so switch gear and types of circuit breaker, these were. So I hope all of you are clear about switch gear and types of circuit breaker. So all of you are watch the video and take the clear about. If you have any doubt, any question, please comment with me and I will give the more clear in all of you. Okay, thanks, wish you all the best.